So this example has both square roots and reciprocal terms. Remember, both of these need to be written as pairs of x. The 1 over x, or in this case the negative 9 over x term, that's a little bit different. Remember, x on its own on the bottom, a single part of x on its own on the bottom, has a separate rule. So the first thing to do here is to rewrite this expression as power terms. So this is just writing out the question. And now we will rewrite this as power terms. Now we haven't integrated yet. This is just a rewrite line. And we have to rewrite when we have roots or x's on the bottom, other than x itself, powers of x on the bottom. So if we were to rewrite this, it would be 2, okay, root x is x to the power of 1/2, minus 3 over root x, that's 3x to the negative 1/2, again, simply rewriting it, plus 5 over x squared. Well, let's keep the 5, we pull the x up and make it negative 2, and then the minus 9 over x, let's leave that as minus 9 over x, it's easier to work with that. Now, you may think that's strange, why do you leave that one on the bottom, but remember, 1 over x has a special rule all of its own. So that's the rewriting line. Let's do an integration line now. So after we integrate, what we're going to do is we're going to have 2, then increase the power by 1. So x to the power of 1/2, increase that power by 1 will be 3 over 2, divided by 3 over 2. Minus 3, increase the power on that. Minus 1/2 plus 1 is plus 1/2, and divide by the new power, 1/2. Plus 5, increase the power by 1, will be x to the minus 1. Now be careful with that, you're increasing the power. It was negative 2. Negative 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Divide by the new power. And then minus 9 over x. Remember, that's the case that has special rule for it, over x. So this is going to be minus 9, and then when we integrate 1 over x, it's going to be 9 times 1 over x. When we integrate 1 over x, we get log x, log of the absolute value of x. Now remember, this is indefinite integration, no limits, so we need to add plus c. And then that's very messy, so certainly at AP level, and really at honours level as well, but definitely at AP level we need to be able to rewrite that. So 2 divided by 3 over 2. 2 divided by 3 over 2 is 2 multiplied by 2 over 3. 2 multiplied by the reciprocal, so that's 4 over 3 x to the 3 over 2. Minus 3 divided by 1/2. 3 multiplied by the reciprocal. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 x to the power of 1/2. Plus 5 divided by minus 1. Plus divided by minus is minus, 5 divided by 1 is 5. X to the minus 1, we usually write that as over x. And then this one doesn't need any simplification. Minus 9 times the log of the absolute value of x plus c. Again, you can rewrite this with roots if you want, but basically it's already done. So a very last rewrite, x to the power of 3 over 2 would be the square root of x cubed. If you wanted to do that, minus 6 times the square root of x, minus 5 over x, minus 9 log of the absolute value of x plus c. And there you go. That's the entire problem there. So I hope you can follow that and it helps you. Thank you.